What's up, guys? We're up here at Mountain Creek. It might be our last creek day of the season this year. It is kind of early October, so yeah, it should be fun. See you guys up on the hill. All right, warm up laps or something like that. This is like hero dirt compared to the last time I was here. Honestly, it's a little wet. They must have gotten some rain here. Alpine's all fresh. We're gonna go check that out. A little muddy though. Very smooth. Oh, hey, this is a mud pit down here. They got rid of the second wall ride, I guess, in favor of a step up down here. I'm down. Oh, they smoothed out the braking bumps up there a little and then left them down here. Abby's having some tire problems. I'm having tire problems. We're gonna hit the Minion though. Ooh, case. A little slow. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Just follow me off.
Oh,
yep. funny. I never get more than one. And I wasn't gonna record this run. Gonna go down the jack. Uh-oh, we're going low line. I got sucked into that one. Whoa. Not the line I wanted at all. Like, not even a little close. Some slippery roots in here. Quite a bit. Oh, bad line, right off the rip. Oh, man, I was all over the place on that. So muddy today. Oh, damn.
You're good.
Ow. That's second one's so poppy. Oh my gosh, that keeps kicking me. I don't know what's going on. Bug. Not the cleanest. I've done better. Whoa, those braking bumps are getting square. Oh, I set that deep. Saw the dry line on the right last time. Alright guys, well I think that pretty much concludes the day here. We're going to take the camera up and do a little bit of shooting, get some photos, maybe some video clips that I may include depending on how those come out. Yeah, it was a fun day here. We got to hit a lot of fun stuff. Abby progressed a little bit, I progressed a little bit, so that's all we can ask for. Everybody's going home, well, I say going home safe. We're going back up to ride, but it's been a good day so far.